Everyone says, I don't have time. But what if time was a currency? What if every minute you wasted was a piece of your life, gone forever? This is the story of a man who didn't realize the value of time until it slipped through his hands. Meet Jake Thompson. Smart, talented, full of potential, but addicted to comfort. Every morning, his alarm screamed at 6 a.m. Every morning, Jake hit snooze. Jake, half asleep. Just 5 more minutes won't hurt. But those 5 minutes became 5 years of missed chances. One cold night, Jake sat on a park bench, lost and frustrated. He whispered, "Why do I keep failing? Why does time always run out?" Suddenly, a voice came from the shadows. An old man with gray hair holding a small hourglass sat beside him. "Old man, because you waste what others worship, Jake." Jake startled. "Who are you?" Old man calmly, "I'm the keeper of time and you don't value what you've been given." Old man, "I'll give you a deal. You can buy more time, but it'll cost you." Jake, confused. What could it possibly cost? Old man, "For every minute you want now, you'll lose 1 day of your future." Jake laughs. "That's fine. I'll make up for it later. I just need more time right now." From that night on, Jake stopped caring. He wasted hours scrolling, binge-watching, sleeping in, ignoring his goals. He believed there'd always be more time later. Time passed faster than he could imagine. And one morning, Jake looked in the mirror. Gray hair, weak eyes, no energy. The old man appeared again. "Old man," serious tone. "Your account is empty, Jake. You sold your future for comfort." Jake, terrified. "No, please, there has to be a way to buy it back." Old man, "No one can buy yesterday, Jake. Time doesn't forgive, it only moves forward."
Jake, crying.
"I thought I had forever." Old man, "And that's the greatest lie time tells." Jake opened his eyes and it was morning. Same sunlight, same alarm. But this time, his heart raced with purpose. Jake, determined. "No more snooze, no more someday, my time starts now." Jake learned that time doesn't wait for anyone. Every second is a seed for success, and those who respect it rise above everything. Your time is your life. Every second wasted is a piece of your dream you'll never get back. You can earn money again. You can rebuild a business. But you can never earn back time. So stop waiting for the right moment. Start creating it. Because this moment, right here, right now, is the most valuable thing you'll ever have. The richest people on earth don't have more money. They have more respect for time. Don't waste your time. It's the only thing you truly own. Use it, live it, make it count.